Welcome to Effortless Efficiency, your companion on this incredible journey of self-discovery and transformation. Today, we invite you to step outside, to leave behind the walls of your home, and to connect with something ancient and fundamentally part of you, nature. As our lives become increasingly urban, we often lose touch with the natural world, our original home. But nature isn't just a place to visit, it's a sanctuary, a healer, a teacher. Today, let's delve into the unparalleled benefits of embracing the great outdoors. Benefit 1. Stress relief. Ever notice how a walk in the park or a hike in the woods can make you feel at peace? That's not just in your head. Nature has a profound calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety. Benefit 2. Physical well-being. Our bodies were designed to move, and nature offers the perfect playground. Whether it's hiking, swimming, or simply gardening, regular outdoor activities can improve fitness and boost your immune system. Benefit 3. Mental clarity. The tranquil beauty of nature can help clear your mind, boost creativity, and improve focus. It's the ideal setting for reflection, meditation, or simply getting lost in a good book. Benefit 4. Mood enhancement. Exposure to natural light has been shown to improve mood and energy. It's the world's best and most affordable mood booster. Benefit 5. Sensory stimulation. The rustle of leaves, the scent of fresh pine, the coolness of a river's touch, nature stimulates all our senses, creating a deep sense of connection and vitality. Benefit 6. Perspective. The grandeur of nature can make our worries seem small and manageable. It helps us realize our place in the universe and appreciate the larger picture of life. Benefit 7. Joy. From the smallest flower to the grandest mountain, nature offers endless opportunities for joy and inspiration. It's a space where we can reconnect with our inner child, our innate curiosity, and our sense of wonder. This is the symphony of nature, a melody that heals, soothes, and revives. We encourage you to step out, to listen, to participate. Remember to share your experiences in the comments and connect with others on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with this transformation journey. Until next time, let the melody of nature inspire your own symphony of life.